Hello and welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you on how to use XDC network on Good Market to claim your GS tokens. So here next, claim on wallet in the click on wallet in the navigation menu at the top or header. Then after that, this is your Celo wallet where you can view your GS, CUSD, USDT, and Celo balance. So on the wallet page, you will see the two buttons, Celo network and XDC network. So to switch to XDC network, simply click the XDC network button. And if XDC network has not been added to your MetaMask, that is automatically added by the Good Market system. So once switch, you will land on the XDC wallet page, and here you can see your XDC and XUSDT and GS balance on the XDC network. Then scroll down and claim JS on XDC network section. So you will see how much JS you can claim today and claim the claim JS on XDC claim button.